Hi friends, I'm starting a new series called Perf App of the Week, where I will be taking an app from the Apple Store and then I will be showcasing it in the channel, which will be helpful for performance testers. As an inception episode, I am going to showcase an app from Apple Store called Fast. So as you see in the screen, Fast is a simple app which will useful to measure your internet speed. So this app is from Netflix. Alternatively, you can access this feature from the website fast.com. So this fast app is loading pretty fast in my iPhone 7. And at the top, you can see there is a drop down list box for the languages, top right. And you can select the language. If you scroll down, there are a lot of languages it supports. So by default, I'm going with English US. And the main uh, display is it will be your internet speed. So right now it is showing 57 mbps, and there is a refresh button, so which will refresh your measurement, and then it will start measuring your internet speed from scratch. And just before the internet speed, you can see the latency, loaded and unloaded, and there is an option to change the settings as well. If you just tap settings, you can see the number of parallel connections. So minimum 1 to 8, and the test duration is minimum of 5 seconds to maximum of 30 seconds. So we'll be getting the measurement maximum of 30 seconds by default. So this measure loaded latency during the upload, and it will always show the metrics. So you can these are the radio buttons actually. It will not look like a radio button. So you have to. It looks like a bullet points, right? So, but it's actually a radio button or checkbox you can call. So if you just tap this, you can see it has been a white circle. If you tap again, it will be a black circle. So right now I have enabled all the three options. So it will measure the loaded latency during the upload, and it will show all the metrics, and also it will save the config for this device. So again, there are three buttons: reset, save, and cancel. Which just tap save, so it will be saving your previous measurement. And right now, after tapping the save, it is start measuring the internet speed, and then it will display the value once the testing is completed. And there are still some lag is that if you see the top the fast logo, right? See, it has been cropped little, and at the bottom also you can see there is kind of scroll page, but usually it should fit in the screen. So it's a UI defect. And once the testing is done, again you can see the help tab here. So here you can see about the help. And actually, if you keep tapping that, it will basically it will hide and unhide. So it is not a different screen; it's the same screen. And similarly, if you press Facebook again, see nothing is happening. And again, if you tap Twitter again, there's nothing happening on those icons. So these are some of the defects in this app, and but the main purpose of the app is it serves the purpose. So if you want to check the internet speed, definitely you can quickly shoot up this app, and you can measure your speed. And it is pretty much accurate. And once the testing is done, you can see the client and the server. Instead, is go to nearest server, and then it will measure the latency and other metrics. So here again, you can see the 210 MB download speed, download content, 6.3 MB upload. So it's pretty much useful. It's a, I would say, it is a must app for anyone who is interested in measuring the performance of their internet providers. So I hope this Inception video is pretty useful to you guys, and I will keep exploring the interesting apps for you guys, and then I'll be showcasing it in the channel. So please do subscribe, and thanks for listening. Have a great day.